Making a QQ account is pretty simple. All you need to do is just follow some tips and guidelines on how simply you can do it. All you need to do is first download the app on Play Store, and if you're on iPhone, iOS, just simply go to the App Store and just download it. After downloading it, just open it. It's so simple. You'll see a penguin and see just blue button on the right side. Click on it. After clicking on the blue button, you'll see some details to enter. All you need to do is go to sign in, sign up. You need to put some details and just click on the blue button. If you want to make a new account, you have to click on the left button, which has blue border but white color background. Here you have to go enter your number. You have to enter your mobile number. Remember, it's important step, so remember it should be your mobile number. And remember the country code of yours. If your country code is different, then make sure your country code is definitely correct, because this will verify your mobile application. After putting the right country code and right number, click on the blue button. After clicking on that, you'll get a OTP and the stuff to just recaptcha stuff to just verify your human account. After verifying the captcha and stuff, you'll be able to create the QQ account in such a easy step. And I'll see you in the next one.